chicken spring rolls.
One cup of maida all-purpose flour. 4 tsps of corn flour. Salt as per taste. 1 tsp of oil. Take a mixing bowl and add maida. Add corn flour. Add salt. Give a mix. Add oil. Mix and gradually add water to make soft dough. Soft dough is done. Leave it for 15 minutes. 250 grams of boiled and shredded chicken. 1 cup of grated cabbage, 1 cup of chopped spring onion, and 1 cup of grated carrot. One cup of chopped onion. 2 finely chopped green chilies. 1 inch of chopped ginger. 3 to 4 chopped garlic pods. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. 1 tsp of maida. 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. Hip dye and add 1 teaspoon of oil. Add chopped ginger and garlic. Add chopped green chilies and onion. Stir fry on high flame. Add grated carrot. Give a mix. Add sliced cabbage. Add shredded chicken. Mix it. Add turmeric powder and salt. Add black pepper powder. Add maida. Add soy sauce and red chili sauce. Add vinegar.